What's the difference between I want an apple and I want the apple? This is the most common question in English. And the answer is surprisingly simple. If you've ever been confused by a N and the, this is the last video you will ever need to watch. Hello, language learners, and welcome to English HQ 360 articles. These tiny words and the cause so much stress for beginners. Why? Because many languages don't have them, so your brain doesn't know what to do with them. Forget memorizing long, complicated rules. Today, we are going to use one simple idea to understand everything. General versus specific is the thing. You're talking about general, or is it specific? That's it. That's the whole secret. We'll use a simple story to see how it works. Let's imagine a story. I want to buy a pet. Right now, I am thinking I want to buy a dog. Am I talking about a specific dog? No, I'm talking about any dog. One dog from the big group of all dogs in the world. It's general. When we talk about one, general, countable thing, we use a or an. So, what's the difference between a and an? It's all about sound, not spelling. We use a before a consonant sound, dog, a book, a cat. We use an before a vowel sound. An apple, an elephant. An idea. Be careful. It's the sound that matters. The word our starts with H, but the H is silent. It sounds like our. So we say an hour. The word university starts with U, a vowel, but it sounds like university. The Y sound is a consonant sound, so we say university. Okay, back to our story. I go to the pet store. I see many dogs. But I see one dog. He's small, brown, and very cute. I decide I want that dog. Now, it is specific. So, I tell my friend, I am going to buy the dog. Not a dog anymore. Now it's the dog. Why? Because we both know which one I'm talking about. It's specific. We use it in a few key situations. First, when something is mentioned for the second time. Sentence 1. I saw a movie last night. General, first mentioned. Sentence 2. The movie was fantastic. Specific. We now know which movie. Second, when there is only one of something in the world. The sun, the moon, the Eiffel Tower. And third, when we make something specific with extra information. Look at this. I want to read a book. Any book, but I want to read the book on the table. Now it's specific. The phrase on the table tells us exactly which book. So we use a and for general singular things, and the for specific things. But what about when we use nitrogen monoxide article? We call this the zero article. We use no article when we talk about general plural nouns or general uncountable nouns. Let's go back to our dog story. I like one specific dog, so I say I like the dog. But if I like all dogs in the world, I say, I like dogs. No the. It's the same for uncountable nouns, things you can't count, like water, information, or happiness. If I'm talking about water in general, I say, water is important for life. No article. But if I point to a specific glass of water, I say, could you pass me the water? We also use no article for most names of countries, cities, languages, and meals. I am learning English. I live in Canada. Let's have lunch. Okay, let's put it all together in one simple flowchart. When you have a noun, ask yourself these questions. First question, is it specific? Do we both know which one? If yes, use the dog we saw yesterday. If nitrogen monoxide, it's general. Ask the next question, is it countable and singular? One dog, one apple. If yes, use a or an. I want a dog. If nitrogen monoxide, meaning it's plural or uncountable, ask the final question, are we talking about it in general? If yes, use nitrogen monoxide article. I like dogs. I drink water. Now for the final test. Let's fill in the blanks together using our flowchart. I have pet. First mention general, singular. So a pet. It is cat. Still general, first mention of cat. My cat. Cat is very friendly. Now it's specific. We are talking about my cat. So, the cat. I give cat milk every day. The cat is specific, so the cat. What about milk? It's uncountable, and here we are talking about milk in general, not specific milk. So no article. I give the cat milk. Cats are good pets, but dogs are also great. Here we are talking about all cats and all dogs in general. They are plural, so no article for either. Cats are good pets, but dogs are also great. I love animals. Again, animals in general, plural, so no article. You did it, see? It all follows that simple logic. Mastering articles is a huge step towards sounding fluent in English, and you just made amazing progress in 7 minutes. If this flowchart helped you, just think of all the other English rules we can make simple for you. That's what we do here at English HQ 360. So if you are ready to finally understand English grammar without the stress, click that subscribe button right now. It's the best way to support the channel and make sure you never miss a lesson. Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments, write 2 sentences. In the first sentence, introduce something using a or an. In the second sentence, talk about the same thing using the. For example, I bought a new shirt. The shirt is blue. I can't wait to read your examples. Thank you for your hard work today. You're doing great. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.